This is Alva's family vlog, and today Finn and me are going to help Nessa do an amazing Clop Dare the Day video.
We're going to do a double piggyback. That's where Alva piggybacks on me, and at the same time, Finn piggybacks on Alva.
Yay!
That seems like we could get hurt.
It'll be fine, Alva, and we'll get tons of likes.
Nessa, this isn't a Clop Dare, is it? Nessa, you know full well Alva and Finn only do approved dares from the family section of the app.
Ugh! All my friends are going to post Clop vids, and I'm going to just be a big loser.
Don't be mad at Nessa, Mum. Me and Finn said we would do it and help her get a bunch of likes. But then I started to feel nervous.
Alva, you shouldn't do something you don't feel comfortable with. Not for likes or anything else.
Clop dares are fun sometimes, Finn. But other times I don't get the whole thing. Mo, go, Gizmo! Hi, Ulies. What are you doing?
Hey, Alva. We're Fizzgizing.
Huh?
I've scanned my database and can't find Fizzgizing anywhere. Oh, it's the best new thing! This Fizzgig app gives you a deed to do, and you have to do it. Join us, Alva.
I don't really know anything about Fizzgiz. Like, if it's safe.
Oh, it's totally okay.
Hi, I'm Mayor Garth, and I approve of Fizzgiz.
I guess that's good enough for me.
That's right, Fizzgizzers, dance. The more deeds you do, the best as Fizzgizzers you'll be.
Wow, that was pretty high in the applausometer.
That was so much fun.
Okay, Fizzgizzers, follow the sky screen for the next deed to do. Looks like we have a new Fizzgizzer. Welcome.
Thanks. Uli Bean, aren't you worried about an app run by trolls?
Hello. Standing right here.
Don't worry, Alva. Everything we've been doing is super fun.
And healthy. We'll show you. Okay, Fizzgizzers, your deed to do is 3 Uli jumping jacks.
Again, my database has no clue what an Uli jumping jack is. An Uli jumping jack is where you rub your belly in the middle.
Hurry, Fizzgizzers! Do your deed, or you won't get any applause.
That was great applause.
Okay, Fizzgizzers, find 3 healthy things to eat from the food carts. Yay! Now we have Alva and those Ulies right where we want them.
Eating healthy snacks?
No, you snoodle. Now that they think they're doing healthy deeds, we'll see just how much we can get them to embarrass themselves.